Computer science videos here today to show you guys. It's tutorial 45. How to tweet 4 photos at the same time on your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter. Make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile and then click on tweet, which is on the left hand side of the navigation bar on your page. And then click on photo, go to documents, go to my YouTube channel, go to the Twitter folder, go to photos, and now we see 4 photos. Highlight all the photos, click on choose, and then the photos have been uploaded to the tweet, and then write the caption. 4 photos dash hashtag computer science MacBook Pro CSV HTML5, and then we are ready to tweet. And now we can see it did take some time as the photos were very high in resolution. Good quality photos always take some time to upload in the form of a tweet, which is why it did take that time. And now the photos have been uploaded, available on the right hand side of the screen. Also go to media, and now we see the tweet from the previous tutorials as well as the tweet we sent now. Go back to your profile, quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.